Hello everyone, welcome to Object Oriented Programming. In last lecture we had learned about polymorphism, definition of polymorphism and difference between compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. Now today I am going to start another topic, that is compile time polymorphism. Now we had learned that compile time polymorphism can be achieved in two ways, using function overloading or method overloading and using operator overloading. So now today we are going to start function overloading. Now first of all, what is function overloading? The process of having two or more function with the same name but different parameters is known as function overloading. Like if for example there is two function display with the same name display and both have different type of parameter and total number of parameters, so we can say that it is example of function overloading. The function is redefined by using the either different types of argument or a different number of argument. For example, here one function name is test. Now in first method the function name is test with no argument. Then second method function name is same, that is test, but it has a single argument of type integer. Now third method name is also test, but the argument passed in that method is single argument but data type is double, so it is differ from second method. And the fourth method is also test, but it has two argument, one is integer and second is double. Okay, so here I write four method with the same name but all have different number of argument and with different data type, and yes, also return types are also different. Okay, so this type of situation, this type of condition is known as function overloading or method overloading. Let me explain this example of function overloading using C++. Now here I am going to write program of method overloading. Now let me first explain the definition of this program. In this program we have to create four display method and with different type of argument and total number of parameters are different, and after that we overload that method. So in that, first you have to write header file iostream.h conio.h. Now we can write this program using class also, but today I am not using class. It's simple program, I implement method overloading. So write first method, for example void display with no argument. Then second method void display with a single argument of type integer. Then write third method same name display with single argument but parameters type is different, that is double. And last method also display, in that pass two parameter, first one is integer and second parameter is double. So here I write four method with the same name but in parameter, total number of argument and its type are different. Now let me write integer main. If I call display method with no parameter, then first method will be called. Then if I call display method with integer value, for example 10, then second method is called. And if I write display method for 50.100, then third method will be called. And if I call display method with two parameter like 10 comma 50 plus 100 50.100, then it will call fourth method. Now get ch and return 0. Still we had not write the definition. Let me write definition after integer main. For example, simple void display method with no parameter. In that, cout only with no parameter, just display message with no parameter. Then write down the definition of second display method, that is void display with single parameter of type integer, for example a. So now in definition, let me print the value of a, like cout /n integer value integer a equal to, so a. Now let me define third method, like void display. In that parameter pass a double value, double d, for example. Now print the value of d, like cout /n double d equal to d. And now write the last method, void display. In that you have to pass two parameter, like integer a comma double d. So cout /n integer a equal to, for example a, and डबल डी इक्वल टू. तो यहाँ पे ए और डी दोनों की वैल्यू प्रिंट हो रही है इन अ सिंगल लाइन. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे मैंने सारे डेफिनेशन लिख लिए. नाउ लेट मी कंपाइल इट, लेट मी रन इट, नो एरर. क्लियर. फर्स्ट टाइम जो डेफिनेशन कॉल हो रही है विथ नो पैरामीटर, फिर इंटीजर पैरामीटर जो पास किया है वो हो रही है, फिर डबल जो पास किया है वो है, एंड एंड में जो हमने इंटीजर एंड डबल साथ में पास किया है वो मेथड कॉल हो रही है. ठीक है, तो जैसे जैसे मैंने लिखा है वो लाइन में ही मेथड कॉल हो रही है. क्लियर, फाइन. यहाँ पे आप रिवर्स ऑर्डर में भी कॉल कर सकते हो, कोई भी मेथड में आप मेथड को कॉल कर सकते हो, लेकिन जब भी ये कॉलिंग फंक्शन में हम जितने पैरामीटर पास करेंगे उतने ही पैरामीटर्स वाली मेथड जो है यहाँ पे कॉल होगी. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे कौन सा कंसेप्ट हमने यूज़ किया है, मेथड ओवरलोडिंग. नाउ व्हाट इज़ मेथड ओवरलोडिंग? मेथड ओवरलोडिंग मीन्स कॉलिंग a function with the same name but total number of argument and its type are different. Clear? So here I explain method overloading and its example. Now if you have any query regarding this method overloading and example, then you can message me. Thank you.